We're going to explain how to fix the "Please select a valid startup item" error. This frustrating message usually pops up when your computer can't find the program or file it needs to start correctly. Let's go through some troubleshooting steps. 1. Restart your computer. This might seem obvious, but it often resolves temporary glitches that cause this error. A simple restart can clear out any conflicting processes or corrupted memory. 2. Check your boot order, BIOS UEFI. Your computer's boot order determines which device it tries to start from first, usually your hard drive or SSD. If the boot order is incorrect, it could lead to this error. To access your BIOS UEFI, you'll need to press a specific key during startup. Usually delete F2, F10, F12, or ESC. Check your motherboard's manual. Once inside, find the boot order settings and ensure your main hard drive or SSD is listed first. 3. Check your hard drive or SSD. A failing hard drive or SSD can cause all sorts of problems, including this error. Check your hard drive for errors using built-in tools. Windows has CHKDesk, or third-party software. Look for any physical damage to the drive itself. Consider running a diagnostic tool provided by the hard drive manufacturer. If you find errors or suspect hardware failure, you might need to replace the drive. 4. Check your system files. Corrupted system files can also lead to this issue. You can try running a System File Checker (SFC) scan in Windows. Search for CMD, right-click and run as administrator, then type sfc/scano. This scan will check for and repair corrupted system files. 5. Boot from a recovery drive or installation media. If none of the above steps work, you might need to boot your computer from a recovery drive, if you have one, or your Windows installation media. This will allow you to repair your boot sector or reinstall Windows if necessary. Remember to back up your important data before attempting a repair or reinstall. 6. Check for malware. Malicious software can interfere with the startup process. Run a full scan with your antivirus software. 7. Update your BIOS/UEFI. An outdated BIOS or UEFI can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Check your motherboard manufacturer's website for the latest BIOS update. Be extremely careful when updating your BIOS, as incorrect updates can brick your motherboard. Follow the instructions precisely. 8. Check your startup programs. Too many programs running at startup can sometimes cause conflicts. Go into your system's startup settings. In Windows, you can use the Task Manager, and disable unnecessary startup programs to see if that helps. 9. Recent hardware or software changes. If this issue started after installing new hardware or software, consider uninstalling the new edition to see if it resolves the problem. Remember to always back up your important data before making any significant system changes. If you've tried all these steps and are still having trouble, you might need to seek professional help from a computer repair technician.